Hey guys, welcome back to another week of reviewing my trading. And I'm going to be completely honest, this has been such a rough week for me. I'm actually down 2.5% on my FTMO account. Well, not negative total, but I've lost 2.5% this week. I'm still in the positive on the account, but yeah, it's been rough because I've been trying to basically catch the reversal of EU as I'm expecting a much bigger move down for either correction or a brand new trend to the downside. But catching that can take many attempts, and there was actually one big trade here that I lost 1% on, which was due to the daily time frame. I actually took it on the daily time frame just before I went to bed. Technically, the candle didn't close, but I had to wake up early the next day for work, so I couldn't actually stay up and wait for it to close. But I had thought that if it did reverse when I woke up, I would immediately close it out, but it didn't reverse. And the news on Friday, it was actually the thing that really messed me up and lost me that percentage. So without further ado, we'll go quickly onto the charts and I will show you each of the trades I took and sort of my thought process behind them, a tiny bit of why I was interested in this area. So going straight onto the chart here on EU, this is each trade I took for the entire week. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different trades total. So that is almost one a day. This one here was on the daily time frame, so I'll show you that in a second. But most of these were actually on the 15-minute time frame. So this first one wasn't, I believe this is on the hourly time frame, I think. Or maybe even 2 hour time frame. Yeah, it's just on 2 hour time frame. So I entered in this 2 hour candle here. The reason I liked it, it was off the top. So it broke this new high and got long wick rejection, much bigger than this previous candle, showing me there could potentially be some selling pressure, but obviously there wasn't. Simple loss, very low risk on these trades that I'm doing because they are reversals. I don't want to risk a lot because I do expect, honestly, most times to get stopped out. But the time that I do actually get that sniper entry, the risk to reward will be absolutely insane. The next trade here, I believe this was on, it would potentially be the hour time frame. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, this was the hourly time frame. I mean, I can still see my entry even looking back at it now. So it shows my entries are actually consistent, you know. So again here, so this one, we got a little pullback here. And then a push up, broke the top here, and then gave me lots of selling pressure once again. To be honest with you, this one I probably shouldn't have taken. Reason being, it should be more of a high like this one here, like a complete push up. But this one, it came down, pushed up just about, then pushed down again. So realistically, I probably shouldn't have actually taken that trade there. Going down to the 15-minute, I believe this was the 15-minute one. Let's see the next one. This is a lower time frame, this one here. This one we would have to go in the low time frame to see. But on 30-minute, this one, the clear entry for me. The selling pressure is coming to the market. Again, it might be a push down. I mean, the push down came actually over here that I was expecting, but it didn't push down as much as I was hoping. It would have kept going a lot further. So at the top here, didn't see any setups. After this push down, I actually looked for a different entry in the lower degree. So in here, I saw this structure right here. And this was my candle here to get the entry. The only issue I had with this is that the stop loss was very big on this trade. I would have preferred it to been up here, to be honest with you, for the entry, but I simply didn't get it. I got this trade. I got taken out. I actually got out of this early. I think I closed it halfway because the way I would have wanted to see it to move, I would have expected it to drop straight away, but it didn't. So I got out probably around here-ish when it was coming back up because I knew it was going to break the high one more time. When it did that, however, I did buy it at the top here and managed to get out break even because this news was, I believe, what news was this? It was 3 p.m. on a Wednesday. I can't remember the exact news if there actually was any news, but there actually might not have been any news at all. It was just a long wick candle, 15-minute, which is insane. But I got out break even here. As soon as it pushed down like this, I would have wanted it to keep trending and going down. So I moved to break even and didn't lose anything on that one. Now this trade, I'll show you on the daily quickly, the reason I took this trade. So right here is this hasn't actually clubbed. I'm recording this on Friday because I'm working all weekend. Don't really have any other days to do it. But I entered off this candle. The candle was at the bottom here when I entered just before I went to bed. But it pushed up slightly before market closed, but it still showed great selling pressure in that area. Okay. That is why I took the trade with the news coming out on the Friday being high impact news. I thought this setup could have been for the next day on Friday with that news, but it simply didn't happen. So I entered down here, stop loss above the top, because if it breaks it again, I would want to get out, and it took me out, as you can see here. I mean, this trade, I still believe, was a very good trade, to be honest with you, even though many of you won't understand the concept because you don't trade week trades waves. But in the group, you can even see this on the YouTube channel, they are sort of expecting a push down relatively soon. So you're going to keep looking for shorts. You don't want to keep buying, because this trend has been going on forever and ever and ever. And what goes up must come down. You know, you can't, if you buy near the end of the trend, you'll get destroyed when it reverses on you. Okay. So in a way, there are some setups I could have bought around here, but because of my objective to only sell it, I wasn't really interested in those positions. So this is where I bought. It came up, sort of gave sort of corrective structure in a way, but it didn't last. I was hoping when news came out, it would have reacted like spike up like that to get everyone in the longs, and then it would have reversed, but we didn't get that, unfortunately. It did just keep trending to the upside and break the top, and that's completely fine. So that means next week I'm still looking for shorts. I know you might think I'm completely crazy after losing 2.5% shorting this market, but I do have my reasons, and the move down I'll be expecting will be very, very big here on the EU. So when this comes, I will be there on that other side, shorting it, and I'll be getting all those profits as long as I actually stick to this bias and trust my gut and trust my actual trading system that I have. And that is what I'll do. So it has been a rough week. It has been a very, very rough week. But I just need to stay positive. You know, I need to stay positive. It's good I'm taking trades. I don't want to be scared to take trades, because I think that is actually what a lot of traders fail at, is when they lose, they're scared to take another trade because they don't want to lose again. And that is the fear of the pain, the emotional pain you get when losing a trade is what actually stops people. I lost every single trade this week, or got out break even. So there's 6 trades I lost this week, 2.5% down. And each time I lost, I thought, okay, cool, I'll look for sells again. It's as simple as that, because I know what my bias is, and I know at any point it can happen now. At any single point, anytime it makes a new high, that could be the last one. And that is what I'm betting on at the moment. So yeah, we'll see how it plays out. Let me know your week went. I hope it was better than mine. Mine is 2.5%. Let me know if you made a profit a week last week, if you were probably buying against me the whole week or something. But yeah, it's been Glaze. Leave a like if you liked it. Leave a dislike if you disliked the video. I appreciate all the support once again, guys. I am very happy to keep making these videos. Yeah, it's good fun to make these videos. I really do enjoy doing it. And I'll keep doing them for you as long as you want them, that is, you know. So yeah, comment below any thoughts you have, and I'll speak to you very, very soon.